We're going to draw a spirograph using pentagons. First, we start with the preliminaries here. We import the turtle of Python, and then we name the screen as scrin, which is arbitrary actually. It depends on you what the name of the screen is. Now I want my background color to be contrasting with the spirograph, so I make my uh, background light blue. And for the drawing specifications here, I name my turtle T, and then I want my turtle to be hidden while it is generating the spirograph or spiro art. And then I want the speed of generation to be moderate 5, and I want the lines to be moderate in width like 5. Now for the next lines here, this is actually a loop drawing the 12 pentagons here. As you can see, we have the 12 here. Um, but before we can draw the second pentagon after drawing the first pentagon, we still need to um, mm, change the direction of the turtle 30 degrees up so that the second pentagon will be different from the first pentagon, meaning they are not totally um, the same. There you can see them separately. And then after the second pentagon, I will make the turtle again be directed 30 degrees up so that we can easily see um, the third pentagon. And in all, we will have 12 pentagons drawn here for the spiral graph. Now, the next four lines here, actually, these are the lines for drawing a single pentagon. The first side should be green, the second side is orange, and then we proceed blue, orange, and red. I wanted my side length to be 160 units long, and then um, this one here for us to be able to draw a pentagon. After drawing the first side, we have to direct move the I mean direct the turtle 72 degrees to the right and to draw the second side. And then before drawing the third side, we have to direct the turtle 72 degrees to the right again. You continue doing that until you have already 5 sides in the pentagon. Now, here is the spirograph using pentagons.